Today we're going to take a look at the 3 LED mini surface mount strobe light with the clear lens and clear LEDs. Now this strobe light's installed in a nice aluminum housing. It's rated IP67 for water and dust resistance. Common use for this light is on pickup trucks, work trucks, or trailers. It's a black aluminum base with the clear lens, 3 clear LEDs. Now it does come with the black plastic flange and the rubber mounting base to install it in the hardware. Now the LEDs in this light make it great replacements for incandescent lights because they'll last 50 times longer, and they're more efficient because they'll provide brighter light with less power output, and of course no bulbs to replace or brittle filaments to break. This does offer 19 flash patterns and also simultaneous and alternating function. If you see the wires, it's a blunt cut wiring connection. You can see there's 4 wires, they're about 6 inches long. The black will be your ground wire, the red is your power wire. The yellow is for synchronization and flash patterns, and the white is for simultaneous or alternating flash. It is a surface mount design, so basically you just put your plastic flange over it, run your wires through one of the holes right here in the rubber base, slide them all the way through just like that, and you can see it'll mount to any surface using the included mounting screws. It is 3 LEDs. The wattage is 12 to 24 volts. Amperage is 0.3 amps at 12 volts. Dimensions on this I want to give you with all the installation hardware on it. Overall length of it is right at 4 inches long. Overall height of it, right at 1 5/8 inches tall. And the depth of it, total depth is going to be right at 1 3/8 inches deep. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to hook these wires up, and I want to show you how bright the light is in the different flash patterns, and then I'll describe the wire connections for you. So we're going to take the black wire and we're going to hook that up to the ground. Oops. And we'll take our power wire, hook that up to the red, and with those two I'll go ahead and turn it on, and it'll show you how bright the light is in the flash pattern. The other wire is the yellow wire. That's for synchronization and flash patterns. Basically what I'll be doing with that is once the light's on, I'll take this yellow wire and touch the power wire, and that'll change the flash pattern. So each time you touch it, it'll reset the flash pattern. So that's how you can choose for your 19 flash patterns. And also the yellow wire is used for synchronization. So if you're going to use a multiple of these lights on a vehicle, each one will have a yellow wire. Once you get your flash pattern set, you can connect all yellow wires together, and that'll sync all the lights to have the same flash pattern. The white wire is for simultaneous or alternating flash. I won't be able to show you that, but that's what that one would be used for. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and turn on our 12-volt power. And you can see with our 12-volt power on, there's your 3 LEDs, how bright it is, and it's flashing. And we'll go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. And you can see for just 3 LEDs, it's very bright light. And then again, what I'm going to do is take that yellow wire I mentioned, and we'll go ahead and touch the power wire. And you can see once I touched it, it changed it to a different pattern. And if we touch it again, change it to another one. And one last one. And there's another one. And again, you have 19 flash patterns to choose from. So we'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. And we'll go ahead and turn off our power. Disconnect everything. But that should do it for the review on the 3 LED mini surface mount strobe light with the clear lens and the clear LEDs.